All right, what's up, legends? Welcome back. You've probably seen those AI generated music videos and thought, how do they even do that? I'm here to show you exactly how. It's just me, a laptop, and some seriously powerful AI tools. Today, I'm breaking down my process, how I take a rough idea and turn it into a full blown cinematic video using Kling AI. No production crew, no massive budget, just creativity and tech. Let's get into it. Every music video starts with a concept, but let's be real, sometimes the ideas just aren't flowing. That's when I turn to ChatGPT for a little creative boost. It's basically my go-to brainstorming tool. I'll type in something like, give me a concept for a pop punk music video with a live band performance and a cyberpunk escape scene. I like to plan for two parallel storylines right from the start. One of those storylines is always the band performance. It grounds the video and gives it that live show energy. The second storyline is where things get creative. It could be a futuristic chase sequence, a love story, or something deeply emotional. These two threads will weave in and out of each other throughout the video to keep it interesting. From there, I asked ChatGPT for more details. What's the vibe, the color palette, scene breakdowns? Sometimes I'll even have it generate image prompts for Kling AI. It's like building a mood board, but way faster. Here's where the magic really happens: writing killer prompts. Think of prompts like giving a director instructions for your music video. The more specific and clear you are, the better the final result. If you're too vague, you'll end up with something random that's totally off the mark. Here's how I break it down. 1. Medium. What's the shot? Is it a wide shot, a close-up, or a handheld perspective? 2. Subject. Who or what's in the frame? Is it an individual character, a band, a cityscape? 3. Subject motion. What's happening? Are they walking, running, standing still with dramatic lighting? 4. Scene. Where is it happening? Is it on a neon lit street, a foggy forest, or a rooftop at sunset? 5. Camera motion. Is the camera panning slowly, zooming in, or tracking a character? 6. The aesthetics. What's the overall vibe? Cyberpunk dream, vintage grunge, soft golden hour glow? Here's an example. A wide-angle shot of a band playing on a rooftop at sunset. The camera pans around while city lights flicker in the background. When you give details like that, you're setting up Kling AI to create something that feels cinematic and intentional, not random. Time to generate some visual magic. Kling AI gives you a couple of options, but trust me, skip frames. It just isn't dynamic. You'll get static images that don't really flow or feel alive. The Elements tool is where it's at. It's my go-to for AI video generation. Whether I'm creating a simple shot with one character or building a more complex scene, Elements gives me smooth, continuous motion and brings the visuals to life. You're not stuck with static frames. Things will actually move and interact, making the footage feel like real video. Kling AI also comes with some great tools for refining your footage. Elements tool. Whether it's for the band performance or the second storyline, Elements is perfect for creating continuous scenes that flow together. Motion brush. Adds movement to static clips. Make your singer toss their head back or your drummer swing like it's their last gig. Lip sync tool. Syncs your character's mouth to your song, though sometimes it looks more like they're possessed. If that happens, just cut it out in post. This is where it all comes together. I drop the footage into Final Cut Pro, sync it with the track, and start playing with color grading, transitions, and effects. Since I've already planned out two storylines, I could start weaving the band performance and the second story together here. Mixing these keeps the video exciting and gives it that emotional punch. Whether it's a bittersweet love story or a wild chase, the contrast with the performance footage is what makes it hit hard. When everything's polished, hit export. Boom. Instant banger. You've just made an AI-generated music video that looks like it came from a full production team, but it's really just you and some clever tools. And that's a wrap. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI music video content, and drop a comment. I want to see what y'all are making with Kling AI. Stay creative, stay weird, and I'll catch y'all next time.